Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the fingerprint sensor on your POCO M8 Pro isn't recognizing your fingerprint correctly. So in such case we will of course have to set up a new fingerprint model on our device, and let me first tell you about the most common reason behind this issue. Well, the most common reason behind it is the screen protector, because some screen protectors, especially not original ones and thick ones, cheap ones, can affect the way that your fingerprint scanner behaves, since the fingerprint sensor is located on the display of your device. Your display protection may interfere with the sensor, and therefore it doesn't register your fingerprints properly. But before you remove your screen protection, let's first check if the problem is not anywhere else. So first of all, let's go to settings, let's go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's go to fingerprint lock, enter your password to confirm, then remove all the previously added fingerprints by selecting each one of them and selecting remove fingerprint. And then before we add a new one, let's lock the screen of our device, and you can see there are some stains on it, on the display. So let's use a microfiber cloth as the best option. If you don't have microfiber cloth, you can use a regular dry towel to wipe the surface of your POCO. Just make sure that it's clean and smooth so we can get the best results for our scanner, so we can get the best print for our scanner. Okay, so when you can see that this the screen is clean and smooth, let's unlock the device, tap add fingerprint, enter your password once again, and then proceed by adding a new fingerprint. So try carefully pressing your fingertip on the scanner. Use different parts of your fingertip for the best experience, and once you see that the texture is filled with blue color and it says done, let's tap done. And now as the last step, let's also go to about phone, select your Xiaomi HyperOS and check if you have any available updates. Select download latest package, and yeah, if you do have updates, then of course download the latest software update on your phone and install it to make sure that your hardware is in touch with your software, because sometimes issues like malfunctional fingerprint scanner are hidden behind the software issues, and they often get fixed every once in a while, and these fixes get released in the software updates. So make sure that your device is up to date, and let's wait for a moment because it's gonna take a while. Okay, once the update is downloaded and extracted, let's tap Reboot now, and let's wait until the phone is restarted, and then we'll check our fingerprint and its functionality once again. Okay, so right now we will not be able to unlock the phone with fingerprint, because we're gonna have to enter password one time as a security measure. But now let's try using the fingerprint, and as you can see, everything works smoothly for me. But if you're still having troubles, then at this point you should try removing your screen protection. I recommend doing it once you buy yourself an original one, so that you can replace your screen protector with a new one, and this should resolve the issue. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.